picked us up from school, and before we go home, we have to go to the grocery store and get supplies for homemade mac and cheese because that's what Mom wants for dinner. And then we have to go and get her last birthday present, which is a visor that she really wants. Let's go!
Did we get everything, Bridget?
Yeah!
Brooke?
Yep.
Where are we going next? Where are we going, Bridget?
Black one. Does that look good on me?
Does Mommy like black?
Yeah, she wears black every day.
Okay. What do you think, Bridget?
Where's the other one? So, well, we just got home and, well, right now we're going to make the homemade mac and cheese, Mommy's favorite, 3 cheese with truffle oil.
Bridget, what are we doing?
We're making breadcrumbs because we forgot breadcrumbs at the store.
That's right. So what are we going to do?
We're gonna make them.
And what are you going to do with these pieces of bread that look burnt?
We're gonna crush them.
We're going to crush them.
Yeah!